Slicing is an important operation in string where we can extract some characters which are specifically stored in a given index. For example, I have a variable b which contains the value good morning. Now I want to display the character which is stored in the index position 2. It can be directly given using this indexing operator, square subscript operator. So GOO, this O is stored in the index position 2 and O will be displayed here. And if I want to display some range of values, that means from the index position 2:5, it means that 2 indicates the beginning of the index position and 5 indicates the last position. That means from index position 2 to 4 all the characters will be displayed excluding the value stored in the fifth index position. Always the Python slicing operation excludes the last index position. So from 2 to 4 all the characters will be displayed. Let us see how this works. See, b of 2:5. So from 2, so GOO, from this O to 3, so 2, 3, and again at the fourth index position you have a blank space. Here you have a blank space, but it is not displayed since it's a blank space, and this M is stored in the index position 5. M will not be displayed. Remember, the last index position will always be excluded. In this statement, we have given print b of :4. We have not given anything before this colon. It means that from the beginning of the string, it has to display all the characters up to fourth index position. That means from 0th position to 3rd index position, all the characters will be displayed. That is why here you have G starting from the first index position 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 actually contains blank space, but here it is not displayed. So you have good as the output. And suppose if you skip the ending position, if you have not specified the ending position, then it means from the starting position you have specified till end of the string, it will display all the characters. From second index position you have 0, 1, 2. So from this O to the last character, it will display everything. So you have OD morning. So this is how the basic slicing operation can be done in your Python strings. And you can use striding also. If we want to skip some characters, specifically also we can give. See, in the same example, b equal to good morning, from 0 to 4, I have to display this third argument after this beginning position colon ending position. Again it should be followed by colon followed by this number of characters. The third argument inside this square bracket indicates the number of characters to skip at every position. So 0 to 4 it prints next character. So next characters it will be printing. Let us execute and see the result. See, first from 0th position to 4, that means first 0 to 3 index position will be taken. It will have 4 characters. So GOOD. So it will be displayed. Since we have given 1, it will skip 1 character. That means all the subsequent consecutive characters will be displayed, right? And in the next print statement, see, we have given 2:8:2, which means that from the index position 2 to 8, all the characters will be displayed, but we have given the striding to 2, which means that it will skip alternate characters. So first we have G. So that from the beginning you have only 2, index position 2. So from this 0, 1, 2, O will be taken. So first it will display O and then it will skip 2 characters. That means this D will be again skipped and the next alternate character will be displayed. So this blank space here, that will be displayed and then it will skip this M and after that M you have O. So that O will be displayed. So now you have already reached this position and after that 7th position is reached and you cannot continue more. So that will be displayed. Another example 2:10:3. Here every alternate third character will be displayed from the index position 2 to 10. So it will start at this position O and first it will display O. Next it will display 2 characters. It will skip 2 characters. So you will not have this D and blank space. After that you have M. So M will be displayed and then OR will be skipped, and after that you have N. So N will be displayed. This is how the striding operation will be done. Likewise, you can skip any alternative number of characters. And if suppose if you are not giving anything for the beginning and ending position, it will take from the beginning of the string to end of the string. And even in this case also you can give the striding number of characters. Here we have given 4. So every 3 characters will be skipped, and after that the fourth character will be displayed. So from the beginning, G will be taken and it will skip all those things. So O, O, D, these 3 characters will be skipped, and then you have the fourth character blank space. So here you have the blank space. Then M, O, R. All these 3 characters are skipped, followed by N. So N will be displayed, and then afterwards again the next 3 characters ING are skipped. Next character, fourth character is exclamatory mark, so it will be displayed. Likewise, you can skip either the beginning position or ending position, it will be displayed. But if you have not specified the striding operator, the striding value, by default it will take S1. That is why here we have not given anything. So every consecutive character will be taken. Another important operation in Python is negative indexing, where the index position is given in the negative value. If suppose if I have a variable s with the value hello Python programming, if s of -1 is given, it prints the last character. Usually we'll start with s of 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to the last character. But if we give s of -1, it will be displaying the last character. The index position -1 always refer to last character of the given string. So s of -1 prints the last character G. So you have the output as G. Next statement, s of -5 colon, and after that you have not specified anything. In the sense, it will display the last 5 characters. So this will be referred to as -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So from this M, all the remaining characters will be displayed. So from this M, you have the output up to G. So this is how we can specify the intermediate position values. And another syntax, -5 colon -2. That means from the -5 position to -2 position, the characters have to be displayed. So from M, so this is -5, -4 and -3, and again, so this will be displayed. -2 will be excluded. Always remember that whenever there is a range given in this slicing operation, the last index position will be excluded. So you have only M, M, I, the 3 characters displayed, -5, -4 and -3. So you have M, M, I. Next, suppose if we have not given the beginning and ending position of the range, but we have given the third argument, yes, -1, it means that the entire string has to be reversed and it will be displayed in the reverse. See this programming, Python programming hello. So everything will be displayed in the reverse. This is just a simple operation to display the given string in reverse order. And another thing, yes, colon colon -3. So again, this will also display the entire string, leaving out every alternate 2 characters, and the next third character will be displayed. So see, first H will be displayed, but it will start from the beginning. So first you have this G, so G will be displayed and then 2 characters will be skipped. And again you have this M, and then M, A are skipped, and then R. 2 characters are skipped in between, and the next consecutive third character will be displayed. So likewise everything will be displayed from G to H. Since we have given -3, it is displayed in the reverse order. Suppose if we just change it to +3, it will display every alternate characters from the beginning. So this is the difference between the positive indexing and negative indexing.